What can I do to stay safe and healthy? That's the million-dollar question on everyone's mind. From doctors and health policymakers telling us to sanitize our hands like our lives depend on it, onto scientists who are warning against the excessive use of disinfectants that kill off the beneficial bacteria that's required for building immunity. We are inundated by confusing wellness advice on how to lead a healthy life. Who to believe? Many of us think that taking tons of vitamins, getting plenty of rest, avoiding the cold, and using painkillers or medicine and hand sanitizers to fight off viruses are key to a healthy immune system. I too was the type of person who regularly took vitamin C supplements, washed my hands, used hand sanitizers, ate plenty of fruits and vegetables. However, I still found myself coughing and sneezing more than I would like. Not ideal, particularly in today's world. After plenty of research, I'm here to tell you that this approach simply won't work and might even weaken your immune system in the process. In this course, I'm going to share with you my approach from a functional medicine perspective on how to create a favorable environment for your immune system to become strong and resilient. This work has to be done before we get sick in our day-to-day life. I'll be covering nutrients, food, lifestyle interventions that can boost your immunity and be preventative. I'll also break down the key nutrients to supplement with when common illnesses strike. And of course, you will also get access to some of my favorite immune boosting recipes that can easily be made at home. So come along and let me support you in addressing this increasingly urgent need to build a resilient immune system for health and well-being.